Hey guys, this is Aravind from Mr. Aravind. Today's topic is we are going to make a bootable USB through your mobile. Creating bootable USB using your mobile is very comfortable because if our OS is crashed or some problem in our OS, we can't open up, we can't start our laptop means we can suddenly change our OS or boot our OS means suddenly you take your mobile and download any OS and insert your pen drive using a OTG, make your pen drive bootable and boot to your OS. It will comfortable to use. We not want to search another computers PCs to make it bootable. Okay guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a bootable USB with your mobile. Okay guys, let's get into the video. Hope this video will informative to you. Got questions, ask them in comments. I will reply it for you. Like, share and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get notified. Okay guys, I will catch you in another exciting video.